Kevin, can I tell you something?
What is it, Bacon?
I've never had a real girlfriend before, just coming and going. I've never been in a serious relationship with anyone I love, who loves me back. I want to make the best of this one, Kevin. I don't want to screw it up like all the other times. Do you? Do you have any advice?
Wow. That's deep, Bacon. I suppose all I can really tell you is be yourself, have confidence, and most of all, make sure this is what you want, Bacon.
Thanks, Kevin.
Should we be funny now? That was a touch personal, don't you think?
Haha. Yeah. Oh yeah. I farted on your sandwich earlier. Sorry, Kevin.
I still really hate you, Bacon. I'm going to spill arsenic in your rum one of these days.
Yar.